Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to export the FBX file with shape key from Blender. You can see this is a 3D model, and this 3D model, I click the face, there are some shape keys of the joys, fun, angry, etc. If I want to export FBX, how to export the shape key together so that all of the shape key were embedded inside the FBX file. If you export, just click File, Export FBX. If you directly export all of the facial shape key, it won't included inside the FBX file. You need to make sure you do the correct setting. Let's say for this time, I exported it on my desktop. The file name, I'm going to just name this as avatar01. And then to make sure all of the shape key embedded, you need to just take the geometry. And when you see the apply the modifier, this one, you have to deselect it. You have to untick it. If you tick it, you can see apply modifier to mesh objects except amateur one. Warning, it prevents exporting shape key. So that means if you select this, it won't export the shape key. You have to untick it. That's all. And then the path mode here, just choose copy and highlight this. The path mode, choose copy and highlight. This is to make sure all of the material texture were embedded inside the FBX file. That's all. So now we are going to try just export as FBX and have a test. Alright, then we open the Blender again. We are going to test this FBX file to see whether is that all of the shape key included. So I click and just press A and delete everything. I try to import back the FBX file into Blender. Just click OK. And then we are going to test it. For all of this, I'm going to delete it. These are the empties. So now, click the skeletons. I don't want it to show so much just in front, so I click the data, viewport display, just don't make sure it don't show in front. We just want to test the shape key. I click the face, and then you can see the shape keys all are reserved here. Angry, fun, joy, all are still here. So that means it works. That's all for today about my tutorials on how to export the shape keys and embed the shape key in the FBX exported just from the Blender. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!